You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more names that many mispronounce in English vocabulary that can be confusing. Stay tuned. So in British English, the pronunciation in the UK is as labourer, lay-b-ra, 3 syllables, and a stress on the first syllable. In the US, however, it's usually said as labourer. Yeah, the middle syllable is skipped, so not labourer, but rather labourer, and then the R's are a bit more pronounced and marked. Labourer in American English, or labourer in British English. Labourer. Yeah, now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.